This time, ang share naman nating house model is the Pearl model dito sa Olivares Home, Southwoods, Binyan City. So wag na po natin patagalin, samahan nyo ako sa future dream home nyo. Ayan, so this time, ito naman po yung Pearl model unit natin or yung townhouse unit natin dito sa Olivares Home, Southwoods. So, same thing, complete turnover din po siya with 2 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, with kitchen and carport. So, with minimum lot area of 60 square meter and gross floor area of 71 square meter. So, yung model house po nating papasukin is end unit siya. So, ano bang difference ng end unit sa inner unit? So, isang example lang or isang difference nila is syempre mas malaki yung lote ng end unit. Then at the same time, meron siyang space sa gilid. Okay, unlike ng inner, so katabi mo ay yung unit mo pa rin or yung neighbors mo pa rin, left and right. So, pasensya na kayo, medyo maingay lang kasi ongoing construction po tayo dito sa Olivares Homes para do sa mga future homeowners natin dito. By the way, and by this year daw po is may mag-move in na dito sa atin. Okay, let's proceed. So, upon entering, so ayan po yung carport natin. So, ayan. Good thing then is concrete na siya or cemented na yung ating carport. Hindi na tayo magpapasimento. Okay, so pasok po tayo. Ito po yung door natin. Medyo kupas lang kasi naaarawan po yung model house natin. Then, ayan, made of metal siya. Then, upon entering guys, ayan, ito po yung ating suggested living area. Then, ito naman po yung ating pwedeng dining area. Then, good thing po dito guys is lahat ng window natin is sliding and marami siyang window para well lighted and well ventilated. So ito naman po yung ating kitchen. So good thing po sa kitchen natin guys, ito na po yung marireceive nila. So naka granite siya. Then may cabinet na po sa baba at meron din po tayo sa taas. Ayun naman po. Naka-tiles na rin po tayo upon turnover po. So dito may door tayo for the service area. So ayan po. So, kagandahan, if you want a dirty kitchen to be extended or pwede nilang gawing laundry area. Then, dito yung ilalim ng stairs nila o ng unit natin dito o ng Pearl unit natin is ginawa nilang cabinet. Then, dito siguro since opposite siya ng ating living area, so pwede ka dito maglagay ng i-mount mo yung television nyo. Ayan, naglagay sila ng cabinet. Ayan, nakit po tayo. So, before we proceed, ito po yung ating first toilet and bath. So, ganyan na rin po siya pag marireceive po nila. Ayan po. Then, nakit po tayo. Ayan, pagkakit po natin, sa second floor, ito po yung bubungad sa atin. Meron po tayo lanay po. Then may balcony tayo, pwede kayo maglagay ng small chairs and tables para sa coffee. Kung magko-coffee kayo in the morning or in the afternoon or gusto nyo magpahangin. Then, dito naman po, ito naman po yung ating toilet and bath dito sa second floor. So, ganyan na rin po yung marireceive nila. Ito naman po yung ating primary room, good for our kids. Ayan. Then we have our master's bedroom. Ayan, medyo madilim lang sa natin ng ilaw. naglagay sila ng kaprasong study area or pwedeng yun, office or yung patungan po ng laptop nila or ng computer. Then dito naglagay po sila ng cabinet. Then ito po yung beddings nila. Ayan. So sa lahat po ng townhouse na bisita natin, so ito yung masasabi ko na isa sa mga maganda at the same time is malaki po yung space ng townhouse na to dito sa Olivares Homes Southwoods. Nagustuhan niyo po ba ang Pearl model natin dito sa Olivares Homes Southwoods as your dream home? If you like our Pearl model and you want to visit this personally, don't hesitate to message me. My contacts and social media is on the screen. Or ang ating Jade model, kung hindi pa po nila napapanood ang Jade model natin ay nasa description box lang po ang ating link. Pakiclick na lang po. I'm very happy to assist you and your family to achieve your dream home. Again, don't forget to give this a like and pakishare na rin po sa mga relatives and friends natin na naghahanap ng kanilang dream home. Always remember, every Filipino family deserves a what we call home. Again, this is Jun Yambao of Bahay for One, and I'll see you on our next house tour. Bye-bye! Thank you for watching. This is Jun S. Yambao, your registered real estate salesperson. If you like this video, kindly message me on the contacts on the screen. You can also follow me on my Facebook page, Bahay for One.